Well, I can say this is the best HRM software which provides full suite embedded with latest technologies and features. I'm Ruchika Bhagat. I'm CA by profession. I'm also a managing director of Brooks Consultancy Private Limited, Brooks Payroll Private Limited, and these companies specifically deals with HR solutions and payroll accounting here in India. And they not only cater Indian clients, in fact, they also cater all international clients anywhere around the globe. We have implemented Great HR for more than 100 of our clients, and it caters more than 10,000 headcounts for payroll processing. Great HR is a complete cloud-based software that is based on HRM software services. So you can say it is a single software that caters all the needs of HR solutions and payroll accounting. That is why I can say, being a payroll service provider, we are very happy to serve this particular software to all our clients. We have been using this payroll software from last 5 years, and each year they have come up with the latest technology. They have upgraded themselves so that to make payroll more smoother and more easier. During all these 5 years, our client list has spread among different parts of the world. So we have, during all our journey, we have never received any complaint or any concern from any of our clients. So I can proudly say that Great HR have always been a good partners with us. So Great HR not only provides strategic solutions for payroll accounting, but they also organize webinars, they organize podcasts to update the knowledge of their users. They have a dedicated team that provide updations on the latest features, and they also provide training on all the modules that they come up with. Their training is not only restricted to the vendors like us, but they also provide training to our clients also. That is their best part. Great HR software, which has many features starting from employee self-onboarding to resignation. So they cater A to Z all services with regard to the employee life cycle. Great HR always provide with a dedicated accounts manager for implementation and support service. So being part of top management, it ease out my headache to solve day-to-day technical issues, as account manager is always available and he works within turnaround time to resolve all my team concerns. We have grown with time and multiplied our customers during last 5 years. And without upgraded technology, no one can succeed. So one need to have a backend support of technology accompanied by features that can be added advantage to your success. So I'll strongly recommend this to all who need software for payroll accounting and HR related services.